The Regulating Act of 1773 was a pivotal piece of legislation enacted by the British Parliament to establish a form of oversight and regulation over the affairs of the British East India Company in India. The act was a response to growing concerns about the company's unchecked power and the need to address issues of corruption, mismanagement, and conflicts within its operations. Key provisions of the Regulating Act of 1773 included Governor-General of Bengal. The act established the office of the Governor-General of Bengal, who would have authority over the company's territories in India. The first Governor-General appointed was Warren Hastings. Second, Council of Four. The Governor-General was to be assisted by a council of 4 members who were to help in making decisions. This council was meant to provide checks and balances on the Governor-General's power. Third, Supreme Court. The act created a Supreme Court in Calcutta, which was intended to improve the legal system and provide justice in the British territories in India. The court had jurisdiction over British subjects in India and was tasked with addressing legal matters. Dual control. The British government gained a degree of control over the company's affairs through the appointment of a superior council based in Britain, which could veto decisions made by the council in India. This concept of dual control aimed to prevent the company from acting solely in its own interests. Financial regulation. The act sought to regulate the company's financial activities and prevent the company officials from amassing personal wealth at the expense of the company's interests. The Regulating Act of 1773 was an early attempt by the British government to assert some level of control over the British East India Company's operations in India. The act had limitations and did not fully address the issues it intended to resolve. Subsequent reforms and acts were passed over the years to refine and modify the regulatory framework governing British colonial rule in India.